All right,
I can't give
I'm
you the
recording. I'm
code
recording.
via chat.
Everybody, I am recording. I have it figured out. They can hear me too. Feel free
Okay.
to
So
have at it.
okay, so we made the count. So we already gave y'all our contracts,
Yep.
Yeah.
right? Okay,
Hey,
it's an equal contract.
Billy, why are you representing out of character? You should not be representing out of character.
Representative
It's a safe zone.
Right.
Yup, it is a safe zone.
Yeah.
Completely safe
No matter
zone
what, safe
because
zones will be. Safe zone is this meeting room. Overall, safe zone is meeting room.
yeah.
Okay.
So
Can someone read out the contract for us? Can someone, whoever has the contract here, can they read it out?
Can I
If you would
first of all
like,
say something about safe zones? All
What about
safe
safe
zones are meetings and bars if you do put safe zones, but meeting
Okay.
rooms are especially safe zones, no matter what.
Okay, let's get into business, boss. I understand you were trying to explain safe
Yes,
zone.
sir.
All right. If you would like, I can read out the contract, the new contract.
Yes, sir.
The better
Can
one,
you?
the equal one.
Yep.
Yes, that one, the newest one. Okay.
Yes.
This is the mutual alliance agreement. Okay. The agreement is entered into by and between the kx3 mafia and subordinate organization, collectively referred to as the parties. Okay. Purpose is the first part of this agreement. The purpose of this agreement is to establish a cooperative alliance based on mutual respect, shared interests, and coordinated efforts for the benefit of both parties. Number 2, mutual loyalty and non-betrayal. Both parties agree to act in good faith and maintain loyalty to one another. Neither party shall engage in actions that intentionally harm, undermine, or sabotage the other. Sharing sensitive information with hostile or competing groups without consent is strictly prohibited. Any breach of this clause may result in termination of this agreement, subject to review by both parties. Authority and decision making is number 3. Okay, we're all on the same page. Everybody's on the same page. We're all listening.
Yep.
Okay. Authority and decision making. Both parties retain full control over their internal leadership and operations. Joint operations or major decisions affecting both parties must be discussed and agreed upon mutually. Neither party holds how the fuck do you say that word, dude? You're using fancy words now. I'm a good lawyer, not an excellent lawyer.
I've
figure it
so many
out.
times, I understand.
Unilateral. I think that's the word. Unilateral. All right, we'll just say that. Unilateral authority over the other. A joint council or designated representatives from both sides may be established for coordination, protection, and support. Each party agrees to offer reasonable support, protection, and assistance to the other when feasible. Support may include strategic guidance, resource sharing, or cooperative action. Neither party is obligated to act against its own core interests or safety. Profit sharing and contributions. Any joint operations will have clearly defined profit sharing terms agreed upon in advance. Contributions, resource personnel, etc. should be proportional and fairly recognized. No automatic or forced percentage is imposed without mutual agreement. Number 6, confidentiality. Both parties agree to protect confidential information shared within the alliance. Confidential information may not be disclosed without prior...
Hold on, I got a question real quick.
Yes.
Confidential. Are you talking about like legal wise between me and you since we both do legal
It's
stuff
like
or what?
Boss, it's like an NDA. It's a non-disclosure agreement. You can't disclose any of this contract to other mafias unless you get explicit permission from Mr. Death.
Okay. Because I didn't know because we both deal with legal stuff.
Yeah.
So.
Well, guess what? Now you got a really good lawyer. You might have to fire the other one. Confidential information may not be disclosed without prior consent. This obligation continues even after termination of this agreement. Number 7, conflict resolution. Disputes will be addressed through direct communication between designated representatives. If necessary, a neutral mediator agreed upon by both parties may be involved. Escalation or retaliation without attempting resolution is discouraged. With number 7, even though you guys can mutually agree on a mediator, there is still a chance one of you can bribe the mediator to be more on your side.
We're not going to do that because we're not going to do that because we're not bad people.
No.
Right. See, there's a difference, though.
Unless the shit goes to shit.
Yeah, unless
shit goes to shit.
Unless it goes to shit. So, one thing that I think you should add is have a third party pick a representative that would not give a fuck about what either of you have to offer, which most likely would be somebody of little importance to this situation. Just gonna throw that out.
Oh yeah, Lewin. Oh, okay. He has probably.
Can we pull out like Guatemalan child for the mediator?
No.
Okay, back to reading this space.
I have someone that doesn't know anything about the situation, that they don't care about bribes or anything.
All right, I have to.
Okay.
Can I continue the contract?
Yes, you can, sir.
Yeah.
Let me see. Escalation or retaliation without attempting resolution is discouraged. Number 8, duration and termination. This agreement remains in effect until terminated by either party. Either party may terminate the agreement with written notice. Immediate termination may occur in cases of serious breach, subject to review. Upon termination, both parties agree to disengage peacefully where possible. Number 9, equality clause. This agreement is based on equality, mutual benefit, and shared respect. Neither party is subordinate to the other. Both operate as independent allies. Number 10, oath of commitment. By signing below, both parties acknowledge and agree to uphold the terms of this agreement in good faith. And then we just needed your guys' name, signature, and then date under both. That's the entire agreement. I just read out everything.
So for you, Reaper, since you do work with VRChat, and I know that because VRChat has contacted me about you, and VRChat myself contacted you about me.
Yep.
Or did they not make you aware of me?
I was aware.
They did?
I was aware of what you've been doing since you started this mafia or group. I was aware that this was your group from the beginning.
Mm-hmm. And
I was aware of
VRChat has been
everything.
heavily watching me
Yeah,
because
for me at least.
I'm the helper.
Because I contracted. I got someone to watch you for me. Make sure you don't get into more shit than they got put in.
Let's just say VRChat has been watching me because I'm their helper, so.
Yeah.
And they don't want me to get into shit, so.
So, I do have a request.
Yes.
That if you may attend any meeting that I request you to be in, please. That's okay with you.
It depends on my work schedule, because I will be working.
Okay.
I will be going back to work again.
Mr. Reaper, may I interject?
Yes, sir.
Or Reaper Rebel. State what you wanted again. You said if there's any meeting within his group that you would want to be either notified or invited to said meeting?
Yes, that's basically what I'm trying to say.
Oh.
Unfortunately,
I thought like you have meetings.
Oh, no. Unfortunately, I don't think you would be able to join some of the meetings unless explicitly said so by Mr. Rebel, because of the factor of some of those meetings could be classified information that could be discussed between the two said groups. I understand it's an equal obligation. You can have the same rule for him, but at the same time, he will notify you if he's having a meeting with a group, but it's up to him, and it's really his choice, and he'll probably run it by me too, if you are to be invited to said meeting, because there is possibilities of different, groups showing up to that meeting.
Who shot?
There's infinite possibilities to it.
So someone just shot. I saw a gun. I saw a bullet fly past.
I heard shots as well.
I don't have a gun. I only have a blade.
Someone check. Actually, no. I'll look back at the records. I'll look back at the recording then.
The only one that has a gun
Remind me
is
to
that
look back
one
at the
over
recording
there.
then, okay?
I have a sword.
For
Swords
VRChat.
do not make gun sounds.
This is my only weapon.
This is all I got.
No,
buddy.
Reaper. I think we have schizophrenia.
I think so.
I only got my
think
blade and my
so.
gavel.
This
Can we
Everett has
all
a
agree-
gun.
Can we agree that after we sign this, we will? Can we make this one more agreement that we cannot terminate this contract without both parties agreeing? How about that?
Yeah.
That is do not agree to that. That is
That's a horrible idea. What if they do
What the-
something shitty?
what kind of fucking-
and,
what kind of
you wanna
fucking
get out of that, but they don't.
question
but
is
they
that?
deny
He
it.
already agreed on it. By the way. He just agreed. He just agreed on it. By the
Horrible
way.
But wait,
Mr.
Mr.
Rebel.
Def,
Also, by the way, he's also friends with one of my family members. So
Miss-
we know each other.
Mr.
in real
Def.
life.
Mr. Def,
So
as
it's on
well.
the risk.
Yeah.
He could have agreed to it, but he didn't sign his name on
He
it
didn't
yet.
sign his
so,
name.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
So necessarily,
Yeah,
it
I
didn't
remember.
mean that he counts, because now that he was
Yeah,
told that
exactly.
it
So,
could mean
Mr. Rebel,
something-
if you have... Okay,
Yes.
let me rephrase
Okay.
this.
Final word.
Mr. Death, if you have any questions about said contract, come ask me about it. He's not the fucking lawyer. I'm his legal representative.
Yeah, if Lars
And
was
that-
here, he would be my legal rep.
That question that you just asked is probably one of the worst possible parts of a contract. You're basically saying if he wants to pull out, and let's say you're a girl, right? He wants to fucking
I'm a nice guy. Here, I'm a nice guy. I'll listen. And if I did something wrong,
You know, I bet you.
I'll
Listen,
willingly
I know.
open
I
up.
think you're a nice guy, but that doesn't mean that there's an infinite possibilities of what you can do. So, unfortunately, if he wants to pull out the contract, he can pull out the contract. He shouldn't need your permission to pull out of a contract.
I'm saying I want to like. I'm not saying like I need my permission, but like, I just want to be told about it right before it happens. Or just contacted before it happens. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't like instantly like that. I just want to be like told about it.
Well, there's odds
Yeah, I
and
have to
evens to
rephrase
that
that.
because of the
Okay.
factor of if he notifies you of when he wants to break said contract or breach said contract, you could very much retaliate afterwards. If
I'm
he
not a guy who
breaks,
retaliate though.
if he breaks or breaches contract, well, I don't know who you are. I don't know what you would
Hey,
what you
yeah,
would
he
do.
knows, but he knows me. He knows me. He's known me for years now.
But that's
So-
not what I'm
Not that
concerned
long
of.
ago.
So listen. If his dad finds out that he does anything stupid to one of his coworkers, his dad's gonna whoop his ass. Actually,
Yeah, well, you know what?
I was
There's a
one of his
difference
dad's
between
coworkers,
getting an
actually.
ass whooping and being dead. So I just want to throw that out there. I think getting a spanking on the ass is much lighter of a punishment than you getting a fucking
No, he
knife
doesn't. He
through the
doesn't
back of your
spank
head.
me. He shoots me with the BB gun.
Well,
I
see,
mean, fair.
Yeah,
still,
he does.
so
He does.
And it hurts.
When me and Rebel were little kids, that's how he used to train us.
all right. Well, then here, let me rephrase. Popping BBs out of your ass like they're pimples isn't equal to fucking Rebel getting a 9mm in the back of the fucking skull.
Yo, my legal representative is just
I
joined,
have
by
a
the way. My
gun.
legal
You don't
representative.
want to test out that myth.
Yeah, you're my legal. You're my
Okay.
conscience.
Yeah, I got you.
You're my lawyer. My lawyer.
Anyway,
sorry,
so
lawyer.
as I was saying, the question that you just asked him is probably A, super intrusive. B, that is probably in my entire lawyer career, that is the worst question anybody has asked my client. That he, in order for
That's why I
contract,
said it's up to him. That's why I said it's up to him.
say no,
solely
Mr.
on the
Rebel.
contract.
As your personal legal representative,
Actually, you
I
can't tell me. You can't
suggest
say no.
you can
He
say
will
no.
say what he wants to say.
You can't,
But he could
has to
suggest.
say what he wants
I'm
to say. You can't
suggesting he
suggest.
says no.
Against it personally.
As well, I am
I
as
also
well a
suggest-
lawyer too. I do this. I do
Okay.
court cases my own way.
Rebel,
So
I'm trying not to laugh, but you can just laugh all you want. 'Cause this is both our cases in this.
I know. This is just funny. It's
why
like
do
a
we have
comedy
three
show.
lawyers here? We have that one, we have me, and then we have the main one.
I
over
messed
there.
up the
He's
game.
my lawyer.
Reaper.
He's the
Okay,
full lawyer.
let me
You're the
just
backup
set the
lawyer.
fucking
He's my
record
lawyer.
straight, just real quick. All right, motherfucker, you are not a lawyer currently. All right, I'm a lawyer. Am I the only one? Me?
Hold
There's
on.
3 people in this room wearing a fucking suit right now, and I'm the one who looks the best. Besides him, he's wearing white. I mean, come on,
Hey,
white looks the best.
I'm gonna raise my hand real
His-
fast.
Yes.
I like to say one thing real fast.
Let's hear it.
I'm an army man.
Yeah, I can't wear a suit.
I know.
Any decision, right? Okay. I would like to, like I said, I do want to be notified before any like things happen with
So-
big like groups that might. I just want to be. I want to be
Wait,
notified.
The contract.
Hold on. Hold
Yeah,
on.
That's in the
Hold
contract. I
on.
know it's in the
Yes, sir.
contract.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Where
Rebel.
did this meeting go to? I
don't
feel like
know.
this went into an argument now.
Okay, guys, you're also recording right now. You're having a recording, so
I
it's
have everything I'm
post it on the cam.
Put my cat in
Yeah.
the microwave.
Okay, can you have recording now? And then we're gonna do the rest off camera.
You want me to
The rest of
cut
the
it
legal
right now?
contract. Yeah, essentially. I mean,
Yeah.
I want. I was just like, I don't want the
Yeah,
video to be also
okay.
too long.